In an effort to facilitate more complex engraving jobs than we're currently able to achieve using our manual methods, we designed and built a CNC engraving and PCB milling machine with parts we had lying about the shop. Two synchronized stepper motors are used on the Y-axis, and single stepper motors are used to drive the X and Z axes. The Z axis itself is made from an old optical stage which we retrofitted with a stepper motor. We use an Arduino Uno fitted with an Arduino CNC shield to drive the system. For the X-axis we used a lovely lead screw which we recycled from an old travelling microscope. The lead screw nut has a built-in backlash adjustment feature. All stepper motors are connected to their respective lead screws through a flexible coupler. Each axis has its own method of adjusting the preload on the lead screw bearings. The cutter is fitted in an ER11 collet. We make our own single point cutters from tungsten carbide. We'll show exactly how we do this in a future video. We have two methods of clamping the workpiece to the bed. The first method uses these small clamps which are very similar in design to those that you use on a full-size manual milling machine. The bed itself is drilled and tapped with a regular array of M4 holes. This allows us to hold the workpiece down using these clamps. The second method we use is double-sided sticky tape. Whilst this might appear less precise, it's not dissimilar to the method used on precision dicing machines in the semiconductor industry, and it actually proves very effective. Once the workpiece is attached to the bed, we need to set the Z height. There are various methods of doing this, including electrical continuity, but here I just use a shim of known thickness underneath the tooltip, in this case 135 microns. For more complex jobs I turn to Autodesk Fusion 360, but for a simple engraving job such as the one I am showing here today, I find this open source web-based software works excellently. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it interesting, please do subscribe, and we'll do our best to answer any questions you have in the comments.